How much should you actually spend on a 4K Ultra HD Smart Laser TV? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Laser TV Cabinet with ALR Screen. Let's talk about the Laser TV Cabinet with a 100/120 ALR floor-rising screen. Priced at $8,801.52, this setup caught my attention with its sleek design and high-end features. If you're looking for a stunning home theater experience, this is worth a serious look. The first thing that stands out is the ultra-short throw capability. This means you can place it just inches from the wall and still get a massive image, up to 120 inches. Imagine being able to enjoy an epic movie night without sacrificing space. Plus, it's designed for compatibility with 99% of ultra-short throw projectors, giving you flexibility in your purchase. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in a smaller living space or want a big screen experience without the hassle of a traditional projector setup, this could be your solution. The anti-glare feature is also a game changer. No more washed-out images during the day, so you can binge-watch anytime without worrying about lighting conditions. Now, some people complained about the price tag being steep. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about elevating your home entertainment game, this investment makes sense. It's designed for those who want top-notch quality and are willing to pay for it. This is perfect for you if you're a movie buff who values high-quality visuals and has the space for a big setup. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have limited room to work with. For the price, you're getting a premium experience. Now, if that price bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VIVIDSTOR Projector Screen. Next up is the VIVIDSTOR Projector Screen, priced at $2,257.94. What caught my eye was its electric roll-up feature, allowing you to hide it away when not in use. If you want a more flexible option for your home theater, this is definitely worth a serious look. This screen is compatible with HD, 4K, and even 8K projectors. The ALR ambient light rejecting technology ensures that you can enjoy vibrant colors without worrying about ambient light ruining your viewing experience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you love hosting movie nights or gaming sessions, this screen provides a stunning visual experience. You'll be able to enjoy sharp images even in a room with windows, making it perfect for daytime viewing. Now, some users mention that the installation can be tricky. Here's the thing, if you're a DIY enthusiast, you might find it a fun challenge, but if you prefer a simple setup, this could be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you have a versatile viewing space and appreciate a clean aesthetic. Skip this one if you want something that's a breeze to install. For the value, it's a solid choice for serious home theater fans. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a remote solution. Product number 3, Hisense Voice Remote Control. Now let's discuss the voice remote control for Hisense smart TVs priced at just $27.64. Honestly, what caught my attention was its compatibility with multiple Hisense models, making it a practical choice for many. If you're looking for a simple solution to control your TV, this is worth a serious look. It's a real time saver, especially during those late-night binge sessions when you're just too cozy to get up. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of fumbling with buttons or have family members who struggle with remotes, this could be a lifesaver. Plus, it's straightforward to set up, so you won't be left frustrated trying to get it to work. Now, some reviews mention durability issues after regular use. Here's the thing, while it might not withstand a toddler's rough handling, for most adults it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly remote that simplifies your viewing experience. Skip this one if you need something built for heavy-duty use. For the price, it's an affordable way to upgrade your control experience. Next up, if you need a remote but want an even wider compatibility range, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Hisense Universal Voice Remote Control. Next is another voice remote control for various Hisense models, also priced at $27.64. What grabbed my attention was its universal compatibility, which means you won't have to juggle multiple remotes. If you're looking for convenience, this is definitely worth a look. For many users, this means less time spent searching for options and more time enjoying your favorite shows. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have a busy household with multiple devices, this remote can simplify your life by consolidating control into one easy-to-use gadget. Now, some users pointed out that the buttons can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing, it might not have the solid feel of a premium remote, but it performs its function well, which is what really matters. This is perfect for you if you're looking to streamline your setup with a single remote. Skip this one if you prefer a more premium feel in your gadgets. For the price, it's a great value considering the convenience it offers. Now, if you need a more budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, let's look at our last product. Product number 5, TCL Voice Command Remote Control. Finally, we have the 6BTZNYY MRC901V RC901V FMRC Voice Command Remote Control for TCL 4K Ultra HD TVs, priced at $24.01. This one caught my eye because of its affordability and efficiency. If you want a reliable remote without breaking the bank, this is worth your attention. It's designed to work seamlessly with multiple TCL models, enhancing your TV experience without any hassle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, this remote can meet your needs without any fuss. Now, some users reported that the setup instructions weren't very clear. Here's the thing, once you figure it out, the ease of use really shines, and it's a small trade-off for such an affordable remote. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly remote at a great price. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end remote experience. For the money, it's a fantastic deal that gets the job done without any frills. So to wrap it all up, we've looked at a high-end laser setup with the Laser TV cabinet, a versatile option with the VIVIDSTORM screen, 2 convenient voice remotes for Hisense TVs, and a budget-friendly TCL remote. Each product offers something unique, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're ready to invest heavily or just want something easy to use, there's definitely something here for you.